Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Please have a seat. Thank you so much. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Thank you. How did you come here? I come here by motorcycle. It is difficult to find the office. No, it isn't. Are you Napatwa Pisiri? Yes, I am Napatwa Pisiri. Are you applying for a position of developer? Yes, I am. Please tell me something about yourself. I am 21 years old, graduated from Udon Thani Rajabhat University in IT. I can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'm hardworking and willing to learn. Do you know what you will do as a web developer? Yes, I will website, fix problem, and update website feature. Have you ever had a job before? Yes, I have worked on web projects in both front-end and basic back-end. What do you do in your free time? I practice coding and learn new web development skills. Did you enjoy studying at university? Yes, I did. My favorite subject were web programming and database. What is your biggest weakness? My biggest weakness is English, but I practice every day. Are you a team player? Yes, I work well in a team and also individually. What do you want to work with us? Your company has a good reputation. I want to learn and improve my skill here. Do you have any question for me? Yes, what tool does the team use? We use common web development tools like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and GitHub. Do you have any more questions? No, I don't. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you very much. I hope to hear from you soon.